As promised, I am making a video to show you our new website and just to navigate a little bit of the site that I think would be helpful for you guys, our current families. The web address itself is the same, grayroadchristian.com, but if you haven't been there yet, once you type that in, our website will look completely different than it did before. So most of this on the surface will be helpful things for prospective families. For instance, in our About Us tab, admissions, academics. But once you get past that, I've tried to put in some helpful resources for our current families, for all of you. And so let me look at a few of those things with you. The first thing you'll notice here is the My GRCS portal. And if you click that, that will bring you to a place that looks like this. And so there are some helpful things here. For instance, you have the GradeLink link. So if you're in kindergarten or your students are in kindergarten through 6th grade, you already know about this, that is where the grades are, the attendance, things like that are there within the GradeLink portal. If you're in preschool, you haven't done this yet, but you have, if you've enrolled, you enrolled through that system, and then you'll get a permanent account closer to the beginning of school. We also have our school calendar here. So you can flip through the months of the year and see what's going on at the school. And then if you'd rather have a PDF version, that is there as well within those buttons. We have a document library with some important documents, Spiritware links. If you would like to get clothing items with our logo on it, that is there as well. Our lunch menu is here, and PTF information. I want to say one thing about the lunch menu. So right now it's just, if you click on that, I'll go ahead and click on it so you can see it. You will see the menu for this week and next week. So it looks like this. My hope for next year is that this will actually be a lunch ordering system where you can choose what your student wants for lunch and you can pay for it as well online. That is the hope, and that's what we're working toward. If you hover over the GRCS Families tab here, you will see three things. I'm going to skip the first one first. So the second thing is a link to go to our chapel info emails. And if you click that, it's just going to give you a list of my chapel info emails by date that I've sent out, and you can choose one and you can view it there. I also have a place for parent resources right now. As you can see, there is nothing there yet, coming soon, but the plan for that page is to house recommended books, websites, podcasts, all kinds of things that will help you as parents and help you with family resources and things like that. And the last thing I'll talk about is just this My GRCS tab here. And so you've already seen all of this, but if it's quicker for you, you can just go to My GRCS here, and then you have direct links to the GradeLink portal, calendars, documents, Spiritware, and the lunch menu. So I hope that what we've done with our new website will be helpful to you as current families. And if you are looking through the website and see something that you think or think of something that would be helpful, let me know. Let me know, and I can see what I can do about adding it. And just, if you just want to give me your feedback, general feedback, that's fine as well. I'll be glad to hear about that. Well, that's all I have to say about the website today. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you all next week.